Ready to transform your static Illustrator text into dynamic, eye-catching animations in After Effects. First, let's head over to Adobe Illustrator and get our text ready here. I've already created some vector text. Make sure your text design is exactly how you like it in Illustrator. Choose your font and design, then save your Illustrator file as an AI file. Now, let's jump into Adobe After Effects. Create a new composition, name it appropriately, and set the desired frame rate, duration, and resolution. Go to File and click Import, then File, locate your AI file and click Import. In the Import AI File dialog box, choose Composition. As the Import as setting, choose the option to create layers and click OK. Double-clicking the composition will open, and all of your Illustrator layers should be showing up. See your Illustrator layers. Great. Now, select the text layer you want to animate and open its transform properties by using the arrow to the left of the text layer you're animating. Using the transform properties, you can animate items such as opacity, scale, position, and rotation. For example, to animate the opacity, click the little stopwatch icon next to the opacity property at the beginning of your desired animation. Set it to 00 at the start. Move your playhead to the end time of the animation, then increase it to your desired opacity level. You'll see those keyframes, and you will see your text appear at animation to the scale and rotation properties, or any of your other properties. By repeating this process, play back your composition. See how your onset static text now has movement and life. You can tweak animation times, rotation levels, speed, and position to alter the impact of your creation. Experiment with different values to create the best look for your text. And remember, your text can be further tweaked using After Effects effects. You're now well on your way to mastering text animation in After Effects using Illustrator-created assets. Keep practicing and experimenting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more After Effects tutorials.